anxiously, chatakis anxiously cry out loud for the rain. In other words, if I don't get this water, rainwater, I will die. So sneha nam, chanting sneha nam means, the Acharya is telling us, like a chatiki. We should think that if I don't get the taste of this name, if I don't get nam ruchi, if I don't experience the taste of this name, like the taste of the rainwater has ras. Ras means liquid, means water, it means taste. Rasoham apsakanteya prabhasmi shashi suryo. Krishna says, I am the taste and water. So the chatiki bird is flying for the ras, eagerly, anxiously looking and begging and waiting. When? So sneha nam means we should chant like that. Part of sneha nam is to be anxious to experience sneha nam. In other words, be anxious, be eager and anxious, just like the chatiki, to taste the ras of rain which gives him life. We should be anxious and eager to taste the nam ras,